This is a hard Arkansas oilstone. It is lapped and chamfered on one side. The specific gravity, as tested via submersion method, is 2.4594. So it's sort of hard. It's in the hard turf. It is 7 and 13/32 of an inch long by 2 and 3/32 of an inch wide. On one end, it's 1.5 inches thick, and on the other end, it's 1 and 13/32 of an inch thick. Apart from that one area with the chip, there's a tiny chip on there as well. And come on, light. And it does carry light. DMT level lapping, so you have to dress the stone however you prefer. Hard arc, thanks.